We're going to add a detail to this mesh which represents, for example, a zipper line. We'll apply it to this bow cover and we'll just use a curve tool and arbitrarily draw a shape something like this. Now you can see this is not obviously accurate. It's also not on the surface of the mesh. This is actually going through the mesh. We'll just rotate that to see in detail so we can see it's above the mesh and below the mesh. And the first thing we're going to do is convert this to a polyline. So we use the poly conversion tool, delete old. So now we have a polyline with 50 nodes. We're then going to use the new tool in version 9 to make a cross section from a poly. So we select the mesh and the poly and run the tool. Now we can delete the original cut line and we're now left with a perfect detail that follows the surface of the mesh. Another new tool in version 9 in the Modify Polys is the ability to convert a polyline to points. In this case I'll select 50. So I'll select the polyline and run the tool and delete old. So now instead of a line we have a series of points, again on the surface of the mesh. Now this time I'll make a copy of the mesh and the points. And I'm going to select all of the points and colour them a primary colour. I'll choose green. Any primary colour will work. So we're now going to convert this mesh into two panels, and we've selected Use Points as Panel Detail. We select everything, run the tool, and delete old. Now we can see we have two panels, and because we coloured the points are changed into a line, a detail line on the panel, which represents our zipper line.